Hi, my name is Om Patel and I'm in Georgia Southern in psychology major. Currently, I'm in my junior year and I'm working on my behavioral analysis project. So, I'm preparing myself for rehabilitation or child counseling related areas where I can planning to go ahead in that areas. Um, so right now I have advanced research class in my next semester I took. Also, I have some experience on doing some small research in under the Professor Vatanik um, in my first class, and it was a basic psychology class, and it was just some fundamentals. Uh, yeah, and then I currently am working on my website related to this thing. Um, I'm working on so on that website. I'm mainly on working on the brain schemas and how can we interpret by symbols and ritual psychology. Uh, I have worked in different areas like real estate, interior design, and content creation. I also work in liquor store, so I have um, understanding of people how they get addicted and how frequent they are drinking. So that inspired me to go in that field. But like so that experience helped me to build more competent on that particular field, behavioral analysis and working on people's addiction. And also working I have good I'm surrounding with a lot of pressure and like in a job and everywhere, so I have experience in dealing with kids and handling them. um, One of my strengths is performing well and staying calm in pressure situations. I have gained this experience working from a lot of areas like ice cream shop and liquor store and uh, parking office and all of that. So I have been dealing with multiple customers at once and staying calm and responding their question answers and um, being on zone instead of just reacting to the situation and the people. Um, so yeah, that helps me to build that tolerance for being in pressure and doing things, and so that helps me to increase my work quality and all of that. So yeah, and also I have good experience working in like, I mean, not urgency, but like working in little bit like more motivation and doing things at in very hard times. Like if it is urgency on particular task, and so I can do that in really well. I can do that perform really good, and so that helps. I mean, I build over the years, and by experience, I have good pick on that. So yeah, that is one of my strength, and that helps in working areas where when critical situations or some kind of hard situation where it needs to be performed well. So yeah, that skill helps me a lot. And yeah, so that's one of my thing, and which also gives me good problem solving skill. I can see and understand situation well instead of just reacting to the emotional and um, just influenced by the people. One of my weakness is working in mathematics, and I always been um, facing challenges related to mathematics, and even from high school and now in college. But in college, I have a good professor. They gave me some tools and techniques that helps me a lot to understand formulas and some solving sums, problem solving. Um, right now I'm using a writing and understanding mathematics through metaphors and step by step writing the formulas and everything. So but yeah, like I mean, so I understand that, but it takes a time and it slow my thinking process. But so I have to write it down and practice through it like with repetitions. Yeah, so that helps me a lot, using writing and all of that. um, sometimes it's lead to create sometimes problem in understanding the concepts or meanings of things, or some instruction or all of that thing. But like but basically, sometimes it takes a time, but I do understand, like after writing and all of that. Also, maybe it leads to some management skills, but as I say, after the years it getting better, and I'm more better in artistic related stuff, and sometimes it becomes challenging because you need some kind of techniques and some systems even in storytelling and artistic, so which create another problem. But like, yeah, by using all these tools and using writing is helps me a lot. So yeah, so I have somehow coping it, and will working on it and getting better over the years. But yeah, this is one of my weakness, and yeah.